Hey everybody, Philip Thurman here with Office PLM. Today's topic is, what is your digital organization? Is it important today? What does it all mean? And are you chasing a digital dream? There's a lot of companies out there that want to sell you some digital product so you'll feel like that you're digital. But digital simply means that you're not using paper to collect data. Most of you guys in the mid-market have been using Microsoft Office, CAD, some ERP or CRM for years. The digital message gets lost because we do not focus on the power of being digital. And that's not that we're creating digital objects, it's just that we're not integrating. So digital data integration is the key to being digital. That's where you're going to find your power. Digital data is money, but digital process is profitability. So to start, integrate key systems like your CAD system to PLM and your PLM system to ERP. So start with the most important processes that give you the biggest return and the processes that cost you the most in time and money. Hey, if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and I'll respond. If you want to see more of this, let me know. You guys have a great day.